VSK Business Consultants. Building a thriving enterprise. Vijay Mauly believes a successful business rests on four pillars: strategic time management, financial discipline, business discipline, and a positive mindset. Strategic time management. Effective time management is strategic prioritization, not just scheduling. Focus on high impact activities, streamline workflows, and maintain disciplined scheduling. Empower delegation and conduct regular time audits for continuous improvement. Financial discipline. Cultivate fiscal responsibility through rigorous budgeting, transparent reporting, and prudent expense management. Make strategic investment decisions and manage cash flow effectively. Regular financial audits ensure integrity. Business discipline. Commit to excellence through clear policies, high quality standards, and ethical conduct. Foster accountability, continuous improvement, and focused work. Positive mindset. A positive mindset drives success. Embrace optimism, resilience, and a growth mindset. Practice gratitude, visualize success, and seek positive influences. Adopt a solution-oriented approach to challenges. Integration and synergy. These disciplines work together. Time management supports financial planning, discipline enhances strategy execution, and a positive mindset transforms challenges into opportunities. Continuous learning and adaptation. Stay agile by embracing new technologies, proactively analyzing markets, and fostering open communication. Stakeholder relationships. Prioritize customer needs and practice ethical leadership. Business system. The operational backbone. Implement a robust system with standardized procedures, workflow automation, data-driven decisions, performance management, quality control, risk management, CRM, supply chain management, human resource management, and financial management systems. Business quality and business straightforward. Commit to excellence and operate with transparency and efficiency. Practical impact. These principles lead to increased productivity, financial stability, improved quality, stronger brand reputation, innovation, resilience, and data-driven decisions. Leadership's role. Leaders must lead by example, cultivate accountability, empower teams, foster communication, and prioritize team growth. Key components breakdown. Time management, strategic focus, workflow optimization, disciplined scheduling, delegation, time audits, financial discipline, budgeting, reporting, expense management, investments, cash flow, audits, business discipline, policies, quality, ethics, accountability, improvement, focus, positive mindset, optimism, growth mindset, gratitude, visualization, positive influence, solution oriented. In conclusion, Vijay Mauly's integrated approach provides a powerful framework for business success. By combining these essential elements, businesses can achieve sustainable growth and thrive in today's dynamic environment. For Vijay Mauly business advice or consultation, please contact 9840-336999. Visit our website www.vsbusinessconsultant.in. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our WhatsApp channel, and connect on Facebook and Instagram.